Speedbird 15 Kilo. You're going to stay on Bravo, then Tango Alpha to the gate.
Speedbird 15 Kilo Heavy, as instructed.
So the 1957
Left
left turn Foxtrot, hold short of runway 4
cross
left.
runway 31 left on Kilo Echo, left turn Kilo 4.
1 Kilo 533, clear to cross runway 31 left on Kilo Echo.
Tower Delta 9768 with you 4 right.
Left on
Delta 9768, Kennedy Tower,
Thank you,
following a heavy Airbus 330 on a mile final, cross return, runway 4 right clear.
On Kilo 4,
Right, clear to land Delta 9768.
Delta 488, follow Latam, cross runway 31 left on Kilo Echo.
Follow Latam, cross turn left on Echo, Delta 48.
And Delta 48, once you're on Kilo 4, hold short of Kilo. Delta 48, once you're on Kilo 4, hold short of Kilo.
Hold short of Kilo on Kilo 4, Delta 48.
Triple 2841, follow the Delta ahead, cross runway 31 left at Kilo Echo. JetBlue 2841.
Okay, JetBlue, go ahead for JetBlue 2841. That's
JetBlue 2841, follow the Delta, cross runway 31 left on Kilo Echo.
Left Alpha, monitor ground point 9.
4 left, Foxtrot.
that was blocked.
Cross.
JetBlue 2841, follow the Delta, cross runway 31 left at Kilo Echo.
Okay, follow Delta, cross runway 31 left at Kilo Echo, JetBlue 2841.
JetBlue 2841, behind the Delta, hold short of Kilo.
Alright, behind the Delta and hold short of Kilo, JetBlue 2841.
Land Charlie 533 Heavy, hold short of Kilo.
Hold short Kilo, and Kilo 533.
Okay, 44 Heavy, November Charlie.
Skywest 3763, cross runway 13 right on Kilo, you're next for departure, monitor tower 123, Panano.
Alright, cross 13 right on Kilo over to tower, Skywest 3763. Okay, so that's how Romeo should we take? 44 Heavy.
Flight 94 Romeo Heavy, continue Foxtrot Bravo.
American 44 Heavy, Canada ground, runway 4 left, give way to company off the right, send taxi left Bravo, hold short of Kilo.
Okay, we're going to go 4 left, give way to company, left on Bravo, hold short of Kilo for American 44 Heavy. Ground Breaker 5859, Golf Sword Alpha uniform.
Brickyard 5859, Canada ground, runway 4 left, give way to Delta off the left, send taxi right Alpha, hold short of Juliet.
Give way to Delta, it's 4 left, Alpha, short Juliet, Brickyard 5859.
Tower Hello, Super 04 Alpha Heavy, approaching 8 miles for 4 right.
04 Alpha Heavy, Kennedy Tower, winds 0209 and runway 4 right, clear to land.